Product review, E-Gtong.
All right, this is a
9-inch.
stainless steel spring foam pan.
And the information's on the back.
Durable 304 stainless steel, dishwasher safe, pressure cooker compatible, and toxin free and safe. That's what we want to hear.
The link will be in the description.
All right. Oh, it got it nice and wrapped. That's cool. Oh, laser film?
Yeah, you can leave that on there. I'll take it off when I bake the cake.
Okay. Well, cameraman.
That's it.
Get to it.
Let's get to baking this delicious lemon cake.
Yep.
Alrighty, now that BB showed that unboxing, we are going to take this and make a yellow cake with it. I'm not going to show you how to make the yellow cake, just wanted to show you how this product here works. But like she said, always remember the one that had the clamp on it. I've never seen this kind of one here, but this you have to take off this laser film on the back. So make sure you take that off. And wash it. Okay, laser film, come off. Alrighty, it's off. Put it in there. It's not supposed to leak. Let's see. Let's check it out. Let's get a cake going, guys. I'm gonna butter this and I'm gonna get that mixed up. Alrighty. Here we go. And to go over it again, it's a 9-inch pan. It's leak proof. The bottom comes out. It's supposed to be a non-stick stainless steel, but I put butter. I mean, I just put butter regardless if anything's non-stick or not. Get it on Amazon. We're gonna do this yellow lemon cake. Oops, the frosting. Just to show you everything else in the back, dishwasher safe, pressure cook compatible, durable 301. Again, just going over these things again. That's the product number and everything there. So let's see how this works. Well, let's see how that stands up. Okay, there we go. Got everything made. Regardless if anything is still leak proof or whatever, I always put a pan underneath my thing. It has nothing to do with that I'm worried that this is gonna leak. It's just that I always put pans underneath. You know, when I make meatloaf, it doesn't matter. I always put a pan. Even if I had a regular pan, a cake pan, I'd still use a pan underneath it. So, alrighty. I'm just so used to the ones where they had the clips, but I've never seen one like this. BB has. And I don't really care for double layer cakes. I'm more into the single layer when I was younger. Of course, the double layer I like, but as you get older, I think the single layer, and then it keeps you from overdoing it too. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna shake it up a little here. I'm not gonna push the bottom, but no leak. And we're gonna let this cook, and then I'll show you the results on what it looks like. E-Gtong. That's what it's called, guys. E-Gtong. All right, I mean, It's not leaking or nothing. Let's get it in here to get her cooked. See what the final results are gonna be. Well, this has nothing to do with the cake pan. My cake flopped. But the view is for the cake pan. No leaks. It's just, I thought it cooked. It's cooked out here, just not in the center. But again, this is the review for the cake pan. Woo, it's a little hot on the bottom there. Let me see how we get the... Look. Did good.
Mm-hmm. A lot better if it cooked all the way.
Yeah. Not bad. Then you can use that as a plate if you want to. If not,
yeah.
I'll flip it over here. You can flip it over there.
Hold on.
Alrighty. Like I said, you can use that bottom as a pan if you have a cake pan thing. And then, again, because it's not the... There we go. The cake didn't cook, so we'll forget that part. But overall, it's good. Not bad. It'll be on Amazon. The link's in the description below. I think it's pretty cool. Just don't focus in on the centerpiece. But you can see how round it came. Real flat surface. So if you did double pizza cake, you can double stack them. So until the next one, guys, go for it. Because like I said, that has nothing to do with that. So, excelente. I read the directions wrong. I thought it was supposed to be for 15. I thought it was supposed to cook for 15 minutes. It's cool for 15.
You need to start wearing
I should have cooked
glasses.
it for 30. I should have cooked it for 27 minutes. But again, that has nothing to do with the project. The product.
And it cleans easy,
It's
guys.
easy to clean. Again, don't let my mistake in baking the cake. But look, easy to clean. It didn't stick. Just, you know, what a normal cake pan would stick. It slid through. And it made it round and it was good. So, E-Gtong in Amazon.
And cameraman needs to start wearing his spectacles.
So until the next video.
See you guys.